Okay, so I'm going to do a quick review of simplifying radical expressions, just very quickly to help some people out. I'll do kind of a challenge one. So let's say I have square root of 8x to the 5th power y squared. So the first thing that you want to do again is break up your radical. You want to separate the variables from the constant terms. With the square root of 8, just a little review on the side here. You're going to list the factors of 8. So you have 1 and 8, 2 and 4. Then you're going to identify which factors are perfect squares. The largest perfect square group will be the pair that you use to rewrite that radical expression. So this will be equal to square root of 2 times 4 times, now with the variables, we want to list them out. So this is x to the 5th power, so we're going to write 5 x's. Y squared, we'll write 2 y's. With the variables, remember you want to look for pairs. Okay, so we can easily rewrite those pairs as squared terms. Just another recap. X times x is x squared. And anytime you take the square root of something squared, it just equals the base. Okay? So we'll rewrite this. Square root of 2 times square root of 4 times square root of x squared, that comes from this right here, times square root of x squared, which comes from this. This last x here will still stay under the radical by itself, times square root of y squared. All right. Now square root of 2 cannot be simplified any further, so we leave it under the radical as square root of 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of this x squared is x. Square root of x, that's just an x by itself. It's just one x, so we leave it under the radical. Remember, you need 2 x's to simplify. And then the square root of y squared is y, because anytime we take the square root of something squared, it's just the base. Now, for writing in simple terms, everything that is not under a radical goes to the front, and all of the things that are under the radical go under a new radical together. So this will be equal to 2 x times x is x squared, y times the square root of 2x. Because this 2 and this x are under radicals, they go under the new radical together. And that is your final answer. Hope this helps.